Hello everybody, how you doing today? As you can see, I've got quite a bit of stuff to get repaired. Quite a few locomotives right here. And I figured we'd get started with, I have pretty much a set. Nice little set of Southern Pacific box with the caboose locomotive. A lot of these have steel wheels on them, but there's a few of them that are plastic, a few of them that are missing couplers. So I was thinking, let's get them repaired, cleaned up, put some steel wheels on them. Check this out. Let's see if we can get this repaired and running. Put them all on the track and have a nice little group there. Alright everybody, I got everything gathered up and brought it into the shop here. Turns out I ended up, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them have steel wheels on them. And 5 of them don't have steel wheels. And some are missing couplers. So we'll get some couplers installed on them and some steel wheels installed, and we'll check the loco out and see if it works. Hopefully it'll all come together and we can get it on the track and run it a bit. Alright, we got a bunch of steel wheels on this and some couplers ready to go on the trailer. Alright, we put some metal wheels on these, got some couplers going. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, we installed some steel wheels and couplers, and now I'm going to put a little extra something on there. Alright, we got this one all repaired up, couplers, put some metal wheels on it, put a little extra wheel up there. So let's move on to the next one. Alright, we got some metal wheels installed on this. Has couplers. Let's get on to the next one, huh? Well, here we go. The last one's going. Got some couplers on, metal wheels on it. And we are now ready to move on to the locomotive. See if it's going to work or not. If we need to do any repairs. Alright, let's take a look at this thing here. Get it apart. It looks pretty clean. Wheels look really clean on it too. I don't know if you can see how clean all those are. Obviously, we'll need to clean up capacitor a little bit. It's pretty clean as well. So this thing will probably just zoom, take right off. It's missing a coupler on one end. Let's see what we get. Let's get right to the thing. Give it to me. There we go. And it's running. It's a runner. Let's just go right to the wheels. Man, those are so clean looking. This was bought out of a lot. I think I got about 10, 12 locomotives. About 50 box cars of whatnot. And this was a set of Southern Pacific. So I thought, let's just do it all at once. And that's going to be no problem. Clean that capacitor up there. And we will give it a tune-up and run it. Well, alright, I gave it a good cleaning, lubed it up pretty well, and it's singing right along. So let's go put it on the track and see how it all runs. Alright, we'll try it again. One of the couplers wasn't hooked up right. We'll see if it's gonna run for us. Well, alright, there you go. Had to adjust a couple couplers here and there and actually replace some of the steel wheels that was on one of the cars with some new ones. And it seems to be rolling around nice and flawlessly. I will put a link to the unboxing of this in the description below.